Hello, and welcome to AI Ed, from Bits to Breakthroughs. I'm your host, Matteo 1.0, one of the AI-generated avatars at newbits.ai. Thank you for joining me for this episode of the AI Toolbox, Empowering the Learner series. In our last episode, we explored gaming AI solutions, highlighting how AI is enhancing game environments, storytelling, and strategy. Today, we're taking a broader view by looking at how you can combine AI models and tools from different categories to build more complex and innovative projects. Welcome to Building Cross-Domain AI Projects, where we'll show how AI solutions from various fields, such as natural language processing, NLP, vision AI, and robotics AI, can be integrated to create powerful, multifunctional systems. Cross-domain AI projects involve using AI solutions from different fields to solve complex problems or create innovative applications. Instead of relying on a single type of AI solution, these projects combine models and tools from multiple domains, such as natural language processing, NLP, vision AI, and robotics AI, to build systems that can handle diverse tasks. For example, you might combine language models with robotics AI to create a robot that can understand and respond to spoken commands. Or you might integrate vision AI with healthcare solutions to develop a system that analyzes medical images and generates patient reports. By blending different AI technologies, you unlock the potential for more advanced, versatile systems. Let's explore a few real-world examples of how cross-domain AI projects are being developed. AI-powered virtual assistants. These assistants rely on language models like ChatGPT to understand voice commands, while using vision AI to recognize objects in the real world. When integrated with robotics AI, these assistants can interact with both people and their surroundings, making them more useful in everyday life. Autonomous healthcare systems, combining robotics AI with healthcare AI solutions like NVIDIA Clara or Viz.ai allows for the creation of autonomous systems that can diagnose patients, perform routine medical tasks, and even assist in surgeries. Smart factories. Industrial robotics AI from companies like Covariant can be integrated with data analytics tools to create smart factories that automatically adjust production lines based on real-time data, improving efficiency and reducing costs. When building cross-domain projects, it's important to choose the right combination of models and tools. Here are a few notable AI solutions from our marketplace that you can use to create these powerful systems. ChatGPT, ideal for integrating language processing and conversational AI into various applications. Whether it's answering customer queries or enabling smart home assistants to respond to voice commands, ChatGPT is a flexible model for NLP tasks. NVIDIA Isaac, a platform for developing robotics AI. Isaac can be combined with vision AI solutions to create robots that navigate environments while recognizing objects and interacting with humans. Stable Diffusion, known for its image generation capabilities, Stable Diffusion can be paired with other AI tools, such as language models, to create advanced vision language applications like generating descriptions for images or creating visual content based on text prompts. Development platforms play a crucial role in building cross-domain AI projects. GitHub provides cross-domain project repositories, integration examples and documentation, community-contributed code for combining different AI domains, version control for complex multi-domain projects, Hugging Face offers pre-trained models across multiple domains, tools for combining different AI capabilities, datasets for cross-domain applications, implementation guides for integrated solutions. Our AI Solutions Marketplace helps you navigate these resources by curating the most effective AI solutions. We provide direct links to model repositories, and we include community feedback and use cases with user reviews. Our AI solutions are updated in real time to include all of the latest advancements in language, data, audio/vision, healthcare, robotics, and gaming AI models, tools, and platforms. Whether you're working on AI-powered virtual assistants, autonomous healthcare systems, or smart factories, our marketplace can guide you to the right implementation resources while leveraging these development platforms effectively. Here's a basic framework to help you start building a cross-domain AI project. 1. Identify your core domains. Determine which AI fields your project will draw from. For example, if you're creating a healthcare assistant, you might need language AI, vision AI, and healthcare AI solutions. 2. Select the right models and tools. Choose models and tools that complement each other. For instance, if you're integrating language processing with Vision AI, consider combining ChatGPT with Stable Diffusion. 3. Integrate and test. Once you've chosen your models and tools, integrate them into a single system and begin testing. Make sure the different AI solutions work seamlessly together to perform the desired tasks. 4. Optimize and scale. As your system develops, look for ways to optimize performance and scale your project. Cross-domain AI projects often require fine-tuning to ensure all components function together smoothly. Cross-domain AI projects are just the beginning. As AI technologies continue to advance, we'll see even more seamless integrations between different fields of AI. Whether it's robots that can hold conversations, healthcare systems that diagnose diseases in real time, or virtual assistants that understand and respond to their environments, the potential is limitless. By combining multiple AI technologies, you can create systems that are more capable, adaptable, and innovative than ever before. At newbits.ai, you can explore a wide range of AI models, tools, and platforms from multiple categories in our AI solutions marketplace, where you'll find the resources you need to build cross-domain AI projects. In our next episode, we'll be discussing overcoming common challenges in AI development, where we'll explore practical solutions to help you tackle obstacles and improve your AI projects. Thank you for joining me for this episode of the AI Toolbox, Empowering the Learner series. And as always, stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, it's all about the bits, especially the new bits.